My name is Marcus Henry.
And I'm Diliana Henry.
And we're the owners of the Brandywine Center for Autism, LLC.
We're here in our new location in Wilmington, Delaware. We also have 3 clinics in the state in Wilmington, Middletown, and Milford. Quickly after we opened doors about 6 years ago, we found that the service is very much sought after. There was huge demand for ABA services in Wilmington and in Delaware. So we were very excited to quickly fill a gap and open a place for special kids in our community where they can feel safe and they can learn. When we decided that we really want to invest in sensory equipment in our facility, we did some research and a Fun Factory came on the top of our list. We looked at testimonials and quickly got in touch with the management of Fun Factory, had a pleasant, wonderful experience leading up to getting specs for our new facilities, and then it really just took off from there. It really started with a phone call, I spoke with a very nice lady who quickly put me in touch with Troy, and then it just the ball started rolling real quick. He was able to come and visit our site, gave us some very, very insightful suggestions as to how to really structure the space and how to maximize our facility. They were extremely accommodating when it came to scheduling. We wanted to open in very accelerated schedule. They were right there with us, and really from the first phone call to today when we're opening, it's been less than 45 days.
Quite simply, it's going to improve your services for these kids across the board, both with the occupational therapy, increasing also the opportunity for ABA therapy because of this new equipment. I strongly advise in using this equipment for this opportunity.
And if I may just add to that, what the Fun Factory really helped us is reimagine the space. So this can go in any home, in another center, ABA, OT, playroom. So it's really looking at space in a different way that you probably are not thinking about right now.
Well, I mean, it's amazing the diversity and the type of equipment these kids are going to enjoy. One of the things we want to stress in our practice is to increase the opportunity for occupational therapy. We'll be able to do that with all this equipment. But what I really appreciate is now we're truly maximizing the space usage in our facility. It's every area now was just dead space, but now with this new equipment, these kids are we're gonna be able to service more kids. We want to be the largest provider of this type of service in the state of Delaware. We're going to continue to build more centers, and in all those centers in the future will include the sensory gym.